Have you ever wanted to build a career but lack the experience? Do you want a rewarding profession where you feel like you make a difference? Are you tired of unpredictable work schedules and low wages and little reward? Consider a future building affordable, durable, modern, manufactured housing. The factory-built housing industry in the Pacific Northwest is seeking individuals with motivation, potential for growth, and passion to build America's future affordable homes. Factory-built homes are in high demand, and workers building them learn on-the-job skills and earn competitive pay, as well as regular weekday work hours, earn paid time off, and the benefits a growing family needs. Unlike tradespeople working on-site construction, where inclement weather determines a worker's hours, manufactured homes are built in a factory-controlled indoor environment with regular work hours without seasonal shutdowns. Today's modern manufactured home factories provide workers with safe workplaces, comfortable break rooms, and on-the-job training. No construction experience? No problem. Plants building manufactured homes offer on-the-spot training. In the manufactured home industry, you make money and earn benefits while you learn the trade. And in the end, you'll have the satisfaction of working to provide quality, factory-built, affordable homes for your friends and neighbors in Oregon. If you are interested, check out our website, omha.com, to find a home builder near you.